Today we're checking out the MP Concepts replacement hood hardware kit for CH3931 only, the MP Concepts Demon Hood for the 2008 to 23 Challenger. If you already have the matching hood and you just need the correct hardware to finish the job, or you're replacing some missing or broken pieces, this is one of those simple parts that can save you a lot of hassle and make the hood look nice again. It's built for the person who wants the hood installed the right way instead of trying to piece together some random hardware and hope it all works together. So this is definitely worth considering. This kit is all about one thing, and that's just making sure you have the correct hood hardware for that MP Concepts CH3931 hood. That's exactly why you would be looking into this product in the first place, because when the hardware kit is missing or broken, the whole hood install can turn into a headache really fast and not look as polished as you want it to. Instead of guessing on what adapter is gonna make work or get a generic piece in there, this gives you the proper replacement kit that's made specifically for that exact hood application. That makes it a smart buy for somebody finishing a hood install, replacing some lost hardware, or cleaning up a project car build that needs the correct supporting pieces to come together properly. It's not that flashy of a product, but it does make that hood look a lot cleaner and put together. So if it matters to you and how good it looks and having the correct hardware, this is definitely worth considering. When it comes to the construction on this, you are getting a dedicated replacement hood hardware kit that's built specifically for that MP Concepts CH3931 hood application. Now there are some reviews out there on the site that say it's gonna fit almost any Demon hood, and people have adapted it to fit other hoods, but for our purposes, we only sell this for that CH3931. Overall, this is one solid piece of molded ABS, and that's a really smart material choice for this because it's gonna be lightweight and durable without adding too much unnecessary weight to that hood. As far as the pricing goes on this, it's coming in right in that $50 price range. That's a pretty fair price for this insert piece because it's gonna fit perfectly inside that specific hood, and it's a lot better than trying to source some mismatched hardware insert on your own when you're already working with a specific hood application. Now when it comes to the install on this one, it's gonna get rated just a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can have this job done in about 30 minutes of your time with the automotive grade double-sided adhesive tape that's gonna come with the kit. Now let's see exactly how this install process goes with a quick video from one of our American Muscle customers.
All right, good evening guys. Today I'm gonna be doing the install of this Demon hood from American Muscle. It's the MP Concepts Demon hood. So I'm about to show y'all how to be putting this on y'all hood. Pretty simple process, I would say, to get it done. So this is the actual hood piece itself. As you can see, it just fits right in. Basically, like you feel like you can just tuck it in, like it fits directly right in. But we're gonna do it the proper way. We're gonna put some adhesive tape on the bottom part right here on this piece. So first things first, we're gonna start off by opening the alcohol pad that it comes with to clean the surface of it. Use that to clean the surface of this. So you want this to be clean before you put that tape on there so it can stick. Piece of tape, you know how this works. So what I'm gonna do is, what I like to do is I start from the bottom of it, and I basically just line the tape up in a straight line across here. You don't have to be directly precise with this. You just tear it off. And you could be more safe, I recommend doing another tab too, just to be extra safe. There's nothing wrong with being extra safe on it. And it looks like this. Now you can also, I'm trying to see, because I can also put some tape on this part right here. So we're gonna just put some on this part right here, on this liner part. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start with this top part first and peeling this tape off. Okay. Peeling that strand off. Now you got freed up tape. Now, I'm gonna start by doing the bottoms now. Make sure you have a Demon hood. You need a Demon hood in order for this vent to be installed properly. So, how you wanna so you just tuck it in, and you wanna make sure that everything is sticking down on it. I'm happy I did put the top of the tape in there because the top is sticking real good to the top of the bumper. So I would advise you guys to do exactly what I did with that.
That's going to wrap it up for our review and install of the MP Concepts replacement hood hardware kit for the CH3931 only on the 2008 to 2023 Challengers. And for all things Challenger, keep it right here at American Muscle.